Welcome to my Libguide. This is aimed at public and school librarians, and especially those who are looking to bring tabletop RPGs to their programming, whether virtual or in person. This Libguide does lean toward virtual programming, but the resources are valuable regardless. Throughout these pages, you will see blue words. Clicking on them will bring you to the resources discussed in that same sentence. This section discusses various types of tabletop RPGs. There are tabs separating the various types and genres, and those separations are mirrored in the resource boxes below. The virtual program section gives a brief rundown about programming, virtual programming, as well as where a librarian might find helpful materials based on their own OPAC and library organization. It is incredibly easy to bring roleplay games to the virtual setting. These sites and resources are well known and well used for role-playing online. There are also plenty of games being live streamed and recorded for you to watch, providing examples of how to play and how to run a session. There are also a few profiles of well-known game masters to the side for further information about some of the people who run these games. In addition to being able to watch the games online, there are also published editions of these stories just waiting to be added to your YA collection. Plenty of librarians have brought tabletop roleplay games to their library, and these are a few stories of how they did it. In addition, I've included 2 webinars for further training and professional development. Here, one will be able to find some video tutorials for using the resources mentioned in this Libguide, as well as a couple databases and books on the history of RPGs. These resources are great for understanding character building and creating interactive sheets that will help both you and the player. To the side are some more unique links to help create an even more exciting gameplay. And last, something from the fans. These are a few fan-created and fan-funded shops and items that are also amazing resources for you and your players. So, what are you waiting for? Roll for initiative.